This 2026 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stove-top burner, skylight, spare tire kit, awning, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, TV, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS is 11,349 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.